Hi, today we are going to see how to capture password for Wireshark for Telnet. Hi, today we are going to see how to capture Telnet password and username on Wireshark. So I'm going to start Wireshark. I'm going to start putty. This is my lab router. I can see, I can check it is running or not. My router is up and running. So this is my lab router. So I have captured the packets. I can stop. So if I need to, so this is my telnet traffic. I need to change to ASCII. You see, this is my user ID and password. So this is my password and this is my user ID. So this is the way you can capture telnet traffic on Wireshark.